po, Mama Aileen, Lola, and sa napakaganda kong mami. So, I will be having a short message for the three of you since it's Mother's Day. So, Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo. Para po kay Mama Aileen, gusto po kitang pasalamatan sa lahat ng supportang ibinigay niyo sa amin. Na-appreciate ko po yung supportang ibinigay niyo kay Daddy noon at ngayon. At supportang ibinigay niyo rin po sa amin bilang tita. Pero higit po sa lahat, gusto ko po kitang pasalamatan dahil naging isa kang mabuting ina para sa aking mga pinsan na sila Ruben, Jillian, and kay Juliana po. And of course, gusto rin pong pasalamat si Mama Aileen dahil sa mga bigay niyong pagkain, yung ulam. Napakasarap po niya magluto. And ano pa ba? And ayun, yung mga bigay niya rin po sa amin, mga pamasko, ganun. Maraming salamat po. And para naman po sa looking young na Lola Lisa namin, syempre, gusto po namin pasalamat sa inyo. Naging mabuting lola po kayo sa amin lahat. Naging maalagain po kayo, maaruga sa aming lahat. And napaka-thankful po namin dahil ikaw ang naging lola namin. Di ko rin po makakalimutan yung mga payong ibinigay niya sa akin noon na ayun nga, mag-aral na mabuti, magpayaman kami, and alagaan ng mabuti si Daddy and all. And maraming salamat po dahil pantay-pantay niyo po kaming minahal, yung mga apo ninyo. At ayun po, syempre maraming salamat din po sa masasarap na pagkain na niluluto ninyo. Grabe Lola, ang sarap talaga ng mga luto ninyo. Kung alam niyo lang, hindi namin masyadong sasabi or nang-compliment, pero ma-appreciate po namin lahat ng luto na pinapakain niya sa amin, lalo na yung sinigang. Tsaka maraming salamat din po dahil naging parang pangalawang magulang or nanay na rin po kayo sa akin noon, lalo na nung bata pa ako, kayo pa nga po yung nagpapaligo sa akin noon. So yeah, maraming salamat po Lola. Hi Mami, ayos ka lang ba dyan? Joke lang. Unang-una po sa lahat, papasalamat po ako kay God kasi ikaw yung naging mami ko. And I'm very thankful kasi you're a very strong person. Dun pa lang sa part na you forgive people is a proof that you have a soft heart. And I believe that God made you like that for a reason. And Mommy, I love you. And thank you sa mga times na pag nagpa-birthday kami, hindi pwedeng walang celebration kahit pa paano. Although medyo gipit. Pero pinipilit mo pa rin na ma-celebrate. And I really appreciate yung mga sacrifices na ginagawa mo sa amin. Nakikita ko po yun, Mami, na kahit wala ka, basta meron kami. Ganun po yung mindset mo. And I'm really thankful dahil ganun kang klaseng magulang. Ikaw na nga rin yung tumayong ama eh. Diba kasi since ganyan si Daddy, and ikaw na yung tumayong ama para sa aming magkakapatid. And I can't believe na kinakaya mo yun kasi ito lang, napakahirap talaga nun. Ang dami mong ginagawang paraan, natitinda, sumali pa sa mga networking, and that really takes a lot of courage to do na mag-isa. And I know na mahirap na walang kasangga sa mga ganyan. Unlike yung iba, meron silang Basta yan, years mo naman na mami. But just you know na nandito lang ako palagi sa'yo. Supportahan ka. And you can always talk to me palagi. And yun lang mami. Happy Mother's Day. I love you ulit. Bye-bye.
If I would describe mommy, she is strong, caring, selfless, and patient. Hi mommy, I just want you to know how much I love and appreciate you. Thank you for always being there for us, for your endless love, support, and sacrifices. I may not say it every day, but please know I'm so lucky to call you my mom. I love you more than words can say. My Lola is generous, a very good cook, and strong. Hi Lola, thank you for your endless love, care, and delicious cooking. You're one of the biggest blessings in my life. We love you! I would describe Mama as joyful, strong, and kind. Hi Mama, just wanted to say thank you for always being so kind, supportive, and fun to be around. We appreciate and we love you. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong tatlo. Maraming salamat sa pagiging mabuting mga ina.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! If I'm gonna describe you, you are very hardworking person. Mapagmahal, masipag, mabait, at matulungin. We are very thankful to have you. Thank you po for everything na nagawa mo po for us. And thank you rin po sa mga foods na binibili niyo po sa amin. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin lahat. At sa mga ginagawa niyo po kay Daddy sa pag-aalaga sa kanya at sa amin. Thank you po dahil tuwing may mga dance contest po ako, todo support po kayo. At ang message ko po ay sana mas maging malakas pa po kayo, mas maging healthy, at mas humaba pa po buhay niyo. Palagi po kaming nandito for you. Maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat. I love you so much more than anything. And to you, Lola, Happy Mother's Day po. Thank you po sa pagiging mabait at masayahing Lola. If I'm gonna describe you, you are very generous, kind, pretty, and strong. Thank you po Lola kasi sobrang mapagbigay niyo po at walang sawang suporta sa amin. Thank you po kasi pag may nagawa po kami na hindi maganda, pinagsasabihan niyo po kami para matuto po kami. So walang sawang pagturo kung paano gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. Thank you din po Lola sa tuwing nagluluto po kayo. Very appreciated po lahat ng ginagawa niyo po. Thank you po sa lahat Lola. Ang message ko po ay stay strong, stay happy, and stay pretty. Sana po mas maging healthy pa po kayo and humaba pa po buhay niyo. Happy Mother's Day po! Hello po Mama! Happy Mother's Day po! If I'm gonna describe you, you are very pretty, kind, loving person, strong, and generous. Thank you po sa pagiging mabait sa amin at sa tuwing binibigyan niyo rin po kami ng foods and things. Isa ka rin po sa naging mabait na tita po sa amin. Thank you po sa walang sawang suporta noon at ngayon. And sa bawat pagsubok po na dumaan sa inyo ay nagpapakita pa rin po kayo ng pagiging malakas at masaya. Thank you din po sa pagiging mapagbigay pagdating sa lahat po. Thank you po Mama sa lahat po ng ginagawa niyo. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin. Ang message ko lang po ay sana po maging healthy pa po kayo and mas maging malakas po. Always stay safe po. Happy Mother's Day to the three of you. Thank you for everything. We love you very much.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest taste I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid of love, the life we've made. And I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years.
Happy Mother's Day to the most amazing mom in the world. I love you. You're pretty, kind, funny, supportive, unbelievably lovable, and your tireless love inspires me. You keep our secrets, keep the house spotless, even when exhausted. I'm so grateful, and always know how to cheer me up. You make me feel confident, strong, and beautiful. I've learned so much from you: strength, independence, creativity, and even how to keep a clean house. You're always so proud of me, and it means the world. This year, I promise to study hard to achieve my dreams. You're my inspiration, Mom. Thanks for everything. For my Lola, happy Mother's Day to my amazing Lola. Your pretty smile, kind heart, and supportive nature make you a true inspiration. Every delicious meal you prepare is a testament to your tireless love and your yummy cooking skills. Thank you for your nourishing my body
Tapos, ano message mo para kay mama?
Mabait tsaka ay, ano,
Ano?
dati ang punta kami sa hotel at swimming kami tapos makasaya tapos nakapanis sa ganun tapos ang hotel kami ang luto si Ma'am fried chicken tsaka lagi ko lang sa tinutulungan.
Tapos, ano pa?
Ayun lang.
Happy Mother's Day. We celebrate today.